Let's start second part of time and work. Start now. If A and B can do the piece of work in X days, B and C can do the same work in Y days, A and C can do the same work in Z days. Then working together, that means A, B, C working together, they can complete that same work in how many days? Now the formula is 2xyz by xy plus yz plus zx days. Let's solve one sum to understand clearly. Let's solve this to understand. If A and B can complete work in 20 days, means A, B can complete in 20 days. B and C can complete work in 30 days. B and C can complete work in 30 days. And C and A can complete work in 40 days. So X value is 20, Y 30, Z is 40. In how many days, if they work together, they can complete the work? So collectively A plus B plus C, if they work together, in how many days they can complete the work is the question. We have seen the previous formula. It is 2xyz by xy plus yz plus zx. So 2 into x value here is 20, y value is 30, z value is 40 divided by xy. 20 into 30 plus yz, 30 into 40 plus zx, 40 into 20 equals to, so 2 into 20, 40, 40 into 30, 1200, 1200 into 40, 48,000 divided by 20 into 30, 600 plus 30 into 40, 1200 plus 40 into 80, 2800 equals to 48,000 by, the sum of all this is 2600. Here 2 zeros cancels, so 480 by 26, 2 13s, 2 240s. So 13 divided by 240, 13 ones 13, 1 1 0, 13 8s 104, minus 110 minus 104, 6. So they can collectively work, to complete the work is 18, 6 by 13 days is the answer. Let's see the next concept. If A takes A days more to complete a work than the time taken by A plus B, means A is taking A days more than collective work of A plus B to do the same work, and B takes small b days more than the time taken by A plus B to do the same work. That means B is taking B days more than collective work of A plus B days. Then A plus B can do the same work in how many days? It is square root of A and B. If we solve the sum, you can clearly understand. Here the question is, A takes 4 days more to complete the same work taken by time of A plus B. Means A is taking 4 days more than A plus B collective days to do the same work. B takes 9 days more to do the same work taken by A plus B. B is taking 9 days more and A is taking here 4 days. A is taking 4 days and B is taking 9 days. So how many days A plus B collectively can complete the work? So answer is A plus B. Value collective here is root of AB days. That means square root of 4 into 9. That is square root of 36. 6 6 are 36. So 6 days more collectively they take to complete the work. So here A is taking 4 days more than complete the work of A and B, and B is taking 9 days more than A and P collective work. So collectively if they work, how many days they can complete the work? It is square root of AB. Square root of 4 into 9. 4 9s are 36. Square root of 36 value is 6. is the answer. So collectively they work 6 days. Let's see the next concept. A can do certain work in D1 days. B can do that work in D2 days. Ratio of wages A and B get how much? So A is working D1 days, B is working D2 days. Now how much amount will they get? We need to find the ratio. So A's share is to B's share. So A's share is in according to days, 1 by D1 is to B's share, 1 by D2. So A is to B equals to D2 is to D1. Similarly, if ABC can do piece of work in D1, D2, D3 days respectively, then the ratio of wages ABC get is. So A share is to B share is to C share equals to 1 by D1 is to 1 by D2 is to 1 by D3. So A is to B is to C equals to, so D1 is there now, this 2 will get to the numerator. D2, D3 is to, here second one, D1, D3 is to, here D1, D2 wages they will get.